Here's what I'm wearing. It's my pick of the show. Only order sorry. Let me get the right card here. It's the Quacker Factory Fantasia printed V-neck 3/4 sleeve top. It's new. It is the only order of the year, and it's on sale for $49.98. It just launched yesterday. The price goes up at the end of the day today, so it'll go back up to the QVC price of $55. So you can save $5 if you get this now. But half our quantity's been ordered since we launched yesterday. The sizes are extra, extra small through 5X, 27 inches to about 29 inches in length. And let's go through the colors. This is the Coral Multi. I'm wearing this right now. It is absolutely stunning. When I said this looks like a vacation in a shirt.
It really does.
It really does. It's that beautiful tropical floral and palm design. And of course, the embellishment as well. And the fabric is dreamy and drapey and soft.
Rayon spandex. Yummy.
Here is Lime Multi. Man, each color is just, I mean, the color combos are vibrant, are so stunning. Yeah, I'm seeing multiple shades of green and mint and blue and purple lilac, pops of orange in that.
May I interject something really quickly? Please do. Yes, and by the way, a very popular pedal pusher reorder is coming next month, and we're doing it in, oh, I don't know, maybe a color that looks like that. Just a little heads up.
Heads up.
Just a little heads up,
She's
ladies.
dropping some hints here.
Dropping the hints.
All right, and this is the Blue Multi.
Yeah.
Again, the beautiful multicolors. I mean, it's just so much going on, so much art. It looks like a watercolor painting.
It really does. And what I love about a print like this is that, first of all, with the colorations, it looks completely different. And that it's flowy, it's easy, it's 3/4 length sleeves, it has that V neckline, little kisses of stones around the neckline, just adding that accent. I don't like to take jewelry with me when we go on vacation.
Oh, you don't need to.
I don't,
with
because
these.
You don't need to with these. Exactly.
There
That's why I like to take my Quacker, because you don't have to. But we have had fabrications over the years that I absolutely love, and I've asked the team to consider bringing some of those back and some of the prints and some different things. So this is one of those fabrications that I love. If you've gotten some of our maxi dresses in the past, this is that fabric. It's
rayon?
silky, it's rayon spandex, 93% rayon, 7% spandex. Just soft to the touch, almost it feels like you're wearing nothing. But why don't you talk about how you feel in yours, looking very cute.
I think this top is gorgeous. I immediately chose this top because I love the V-neck, I love the embellishments, love the colors, and I love the fit. Now, I chose to tuck it in to my jeans, but I feel like you can definitely wear this however you want. You can tuck it in like I did or tuck it out. It really doesn't wrinkle.
No,
I mean, it's
it really
that nice
doesn't.
drapey rayon that doesn't wrinkle. It feels like this is what you want to wear when the weather is hot, because it's got that really that fine fabric, that cool drapey rayon, and then the sleeve length is perfect. So you're going to get that coverage on your arms. The length here is perfect all the way down to over your hips. I mean, this is exquisite. I love it.
It really is. And this is that perfect top that you take on vacation, because you can roll it up, put it in your suitcase, doesn't get wrinkled. You could rinse it and hang it to dry in your room.
No room.
It will dry like super quick, even if you hand wash it. It takes up no room. It looks absolutely beautiful. And you can pair any color bottom that you have with it. Like I have the white. How fun is that?
That's a beautiful combo.
But look at it with the sands.
Stunning.
Oh, there's Kulani. She's wearing the pink. Kulani is 5'2", and she wears our size. There we go, small.
Okay.
And she's wearing the Dream Jean Big Deal that you and I are both wearing.
Yes.
She's wearing it in the shadow pink with this top, and she's wearing it in the short inseam. But look how beautifully that pink pairs with this color.
I just love the V-neck too.
Yes.
The neckline is really pretty. It's really flattering. It's not too low. It's just perfect.
Yeah.
Nice length there, covering the hips. Yeah.
So you've seen it in our show today, our Dream Jeans, of course, which have become really, just an important part of our brand, right? You've also seen our embroidery.
I have.
And so we're known for our embroidery. So what do you do when you're at QVC for 30 years? You have to continue to ebb and flow and to bring in new ideas.
Yep.
And to bring in new elements to put in the pyramid of your brand, right?
Right.
And so prints have been very popular.
Oh.
You've been loving our prints, and we try to do them in all different fabrications, in different ways, so that we can really just, get different eyes on, our items.
But yet it's still very Quacker Factory.
Yes,
It's still
especially
with
with
the
that bling.
embellishment, the joy, the cheerfulness, the happiness, that philosophy of just live life to the fullest.
Honey, life's a party, celebrate every day. That's what Jean would
Celebrate
say.
every day.
Yep.
I agree with that.
Agreed.
I'm kind of sad. Like, I would have loved to have met her
Yeah.
because she reminds me of my mom.
Yeah.
My mom has that
I love
same
that. Well,
philosophy.
does your mom know about Quacker Factory? Because I think you need to introduce her.
I think I need to buy her something.
I think you need to.
Yeah. And my mother-in-law, too. I could buy her this. My mother-in-law lives in Florida, and she has a garden that literally looks like this. She
I
has
love it.
orchids in her garden.
Love
This
it.
looks like her garden.
Wow,
I think she would love this. And it just makes you feel happy looking at all of these beautiful
Yes.
colors. I mean, it looks like art.
It really does. And the nice thing, I love a print because it's nice camouflage.
Oh, yeah.
It's
Totally.
nice camouflage,
Right.
Without it being a camouflage print, which I love.
Camo.
But you don't all love that, right?
Oh, this is a pretty camo.
But this is a really pretty camo. Imagine yourself in the tropical plants at the resort, and you peek out and you scare your husband.
Yeah, maybe you caught him like texting someone he shouldn't.
Oh yeah, no, he even hates for me to bring my phone on vacation because he's so sick of me being on it all the time. But you know what? Or like that iguana pops out. Hey, surprise! I'm teasing, of course. We like to have a good time.
On vacation, you know what I do to my husband?
Tell me.
I tell my kids, take this bucket of water, go fill it up with ocean water, and go throw it on Daddy's back while he's playing frisbee.
Ooh, oh, he probably appreciates that though, because it probably cools him down.
And then the kids run like the wind.
Gives them an activity, cools your husband down.
Yeah.
Gives you a break. Exactly.
Yeah.
It's perfect. It's win-win all over the joint. So anyway, so thank you all for tuning in yesterday for our National Quacker Day celebration. We were on air for 5 hours. We introduced a lot of new, this being one of those new items, right? And so, actually next week our show is canceled. I just got the notification today because you were so excited about everything we offered yesterday. We kind of are limited.
Oh, well, we're getting limited in these as well. We should probably go over the colors again.
Please.
All right, so what are you holding over there?
I am holding the lime multi.
Okay.
Then you have the
Coral multi, which is what I'm wearing.
And I love the pops of blue against the orange and the coral.
Yeah,
that's
isn't that
really
stunning?
fun.
Yeah. And here is the blue multi.
The blue multi.
Really gorgeous. I can't decide which one I like the most. I
really
thought I liked
lovely.
the coral multi the most. Now I'm like, gosh, they all look so good.
For me, as much as I love the print, it's the fabric.
Right.
This fabric feels like butter.
Butter.
It feels so good, like almost like a nightgown.
I was going to say that if I had jammies that felt like this, I would feel in heaven.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely, yes. So it's beautiful, it's sophisticated. You can wear it to work. You can wear it. Maybe you live in a community where you guys plan themed parties coming up, like maybe a luau or something. This will be great for a luau. Or if you're traveling somewhere and you want something comfortable, I have to be comfortable when I'm on a plane.
Yeah.
Because planes
Oh,
are so uncomfortable
Yeah.
and people are touching you and brushing up against you, which I cannot stand. And
And
little something about
the
me.
seats are getting smaller and smaller on
they're-
airplanes.
Plane seats are not meant for big booties. They just are not.
Can't handle your curves on those airplanes.
Exactly. But you want to do all you can before you even get to the airport to be comfortable and to look appropriate.
Right.
You don't want to show up to the airport in your pajamas with your flip-flops and all of that business. So let's be comfortable, but you can look
If
cute
I
and
did, I
cool.
would embarrass my kids.
Yeah. Well, when they become teenagers, I'm assuming they're younger than teens.
Yeah, they're in elementary school.
Okay, so when they become teenagers, you absolutely 100% have to do it to embarrass them. Because just your existence will embarrass them. From what I understand, I don't have kids myself, but I know teenagers.
My girls would love if I stepped it up and wore something like this. you know, I get a little lazy going to the bus stop in the morning with them. I might wear my husband's clothes because it's easiest to put on. But yeah,
Exactly.
something like this, perfect for travel, perfect for so many occasions.
And it's
So
so soft.
tropical and beautiful, and it's done in that rayon
Love it.
spandex, that drapey, beautiful silky fabric. $49.98, that's the big deal price, and it goes away at the end of the day. Sizes are extra small through 5X. All right, let's go through the colors. This is coral multi. Here's blue multi, and we have lime multi.
Love them. Can't decide which one's my favorite. They're all great.
Oh my.
We're done.
Yeah, is my time with you over?
We're done.
I'm sad I missed you already, Angel.
Oh,
I
you're so
really
sweet.
do. I had
Thank you.
so much fun
So much
with
fun.
you, love.
Thank you.
I hope
Thank
to
you so
see you
much.
again really
I'm sure we
soon.
will. I'm sure we will.
Thank you so much. Well, don't go anywhere because I have another hour coming up, and it's Susan Graver. So we have some great deals there as well. Bye, Angel. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you.
I love your name.
Well, thank you. I love your name.
Thank you.